Hey guys, well then today I'm going to show you how to make a leveling system that will add an extra layer of gameplay to our game. To make our leveling system, we are going to use a thing called logarithms. Logarithms are what's going to allow us to create a system where each level gets progressively harder. First, we want to be able to specify a value that will decide the XP steps of our game. If we set it to 15, then the XP required to level up will always be a multiple of 15. If we set it to 10, then the XP required to level up will always be a multiple of 10. Then we need the variable that will store the experience of the player, which will be used to calculate the player's level. We could use those two variables to figure out the player's overall level by using a logarithm function. I won't go into detail about logarithms, but I will leave a link in the description if you wish to learn more. To get the player's level, all you need to do is then use the log function between the XP step variable and the player's XP. With this system, we can add XP to the player whenever we wanted to. If the player hit the enemy or collected a coin, we would increase the player's XP variable and the level would get calculated for us. Alright, so now we can jump into the code. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is set up some variables. The first variable is going to be the player XP. We'll set that to 0. And then the next variable is going to be game XP steps, and also that's 15. And then the last variable is going to be our player level, also that's to 0. Next we can go down in our update function, down here, and set that player level to math.log. We'll do player XP and game XP step. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is display this player level variable using a simple console.log. You can say console.log and level, and we'll do math.floor, and we'll do player level. All that math.floor is doing here is making sure that we are actually displaying an integer and not decimal as our player level. So the next thing that's left to do is just adding the player XP where it's needed. So we'll just add one at get coin. So when the user gets a coin, he will get 15 XP. And just for testing sakes, we can also add it to shoot now, just so we can see it grow. And actually, there was a little bug left from last episode. So if we actually go down here where we have set our index callback, there we go. We need to change these indexes and functions because they cause some errors. So we can say let's set our index callback, and we'll say 7, and we'll do get coin. And for 6, we're going to do this.spawn. So now if we actually jump into the game, alright, so now if you press play, you can see our console spewing out -infinity. This means that it's 0. And if we do, if we shoot, we can actually see our levels going up. We have 2, then we have 3. If we shoot 2 times, we have 4. If we shoot a bunch more times, we'll see we'll level up right away. We have 5. If we keep doing that, we'll keep leveling up. So if we actually get the coins, I don't think it is visible right now, but you would have gotten some XP from that. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.